I want to talk about, first of all, the 1990s connection. And you both emerged from Melbourne's creative and fashion circles of the 1990s. What do you remember most vividly about that era? And how did it shape your approach to design and collaboration? Mark, do you want to go first?
I suppose the 90s was an extension of the late 80s for me. But the 90s, I suppose I was sort of winding it backwards, 24, 25, and I just had a baby, Hunter, and, I'd sort of been in the game for a little while. I sort of got involved into the fashion thing a little bit of a default way by designing stores for Dangerfield and Factory X. At that point, it wasn't Factory X then, but that was my little foothold into that sort of more commercial fashion situation. But stemming back, I don't know, selling clothing and sort of understanding retail and understanding how things work on that level is a bit of a separate thing than actually, dressing yourself or wearing things out. I suppose clubbing was a big thing at that point in time.
Totally, yeah. And collaboration for you, was that a big thing of the 90s for you?
Well, everyone, you can't do anything by yourself.
True.
Pretty much, whether it is a very skilled person or someone who knows someone else that gives you the heads up where to get that thing from. Everything needed to be obviously locally sourced, understanding, there wasn't much internet there, so you had to know where to go to get, for example, the right materials in what suburb and where, and you had to get a phone number list off someone or a referral. I know at one point people would have Rolex like write down phone numbers, and
sure
you'd
people
flick
don't have
through
any idea what a Rolex is.
It was all like what your contacts you had.
Totally.
How else did you get that?
Networking. It was networking. You used to do that through going out to clubs and, totally.